Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the page orientation on your Google Docs mobile phone application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
Hi friends, and today we're going to see how to change the page orientation. So first of all, just going to choose a document, click on this, turn off the viewing mode and click on the printout layout. So you will see the page size, it's actually on a portrait. So just click on this three dot option. How to change the orientation of the page, you just click on the page setup, and here you will see a orientation option. Here you can just choose as landscape, which actually changes to landscape. The two pages has been created as 3 pages now. Just click on the same thing, going to the page setup and changing to the portrait, which actually make these 3 pages into 2 pages. This is how you just change the orientation of the page setup on your Google Docs mobile phone application. I think this video helped you a lot. If you're having any doubt, just comment below. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.